ParaSwap Crypto Swap Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to ParaSwap are in the description below. In this video, we're reviewing ParaSwap, a powerful decentralized exchange DEX aggregator that finds the best token swap rates across multiple platforms. Instead of relying on a single liquidity pool, ParaSwap scans multiple DEXs, including Uniswap, SushiSwap, Balancer, Curve, and others, ensuring users always get the most efficient trades with minimal slippage and lower gas fees. One of ParaSwap's biggest advantages is gas optimization. The platform splits orders across multiple DEXs when needed, ensuring that swaps happen at the most cost-effective rates. Additionally, ParaSwap's gas token system can reduce transaction costs, making it a strong alternative to direct swaps on platforms like Uniswap. This is especially useful for high-frequency traders and users swapping large amounts of tokens. ParaSwap also integrates limit orders, allowing users to set specific price targets instead of executing trades immediately at market rates. Unlike traditional AMM-based swaps, limit orders execute only when the market reaches the set price, giving traders more control over their positions. This feature makes ParaSwap stand out among DEX aggregators. Security is a priority, as ParaSwap is non-custodial, meaning users never have to deposit funds or trust a third party with their assets. The platform executes transactions directly from users' wallets, ensuring full control over funds at all times. Additionally, it supports multiple blockchain networks, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and Avalanche, making it a versatile choice for cross-chain traders. For developers and institutional traders, ParaSwap offers API access, allowing integration with DeFi applications and automated trading strategies. The platform also provides private market-making solutions, optimizing liquidity across various protocols. Overall, ParaSwap is an excellent choice for traders looking to maximize efficiency, minimize slippage, and reduce gas costs when swapping tokens. Whether you're a casual DeFi user or an advanced trader, ParaSwap provides an optimized and secure experience for decentralized trading. Check out the links in the description to start using ParaSwap today.